In order to preserve our natural environment, clear international agreements have been made in order to reduce sulfur emissions from seagoing vessels. And that is a good idea, because the 16 largest container ships on our oceans emit as much sulfur as all the cars on our planet. Fortunately, the international shipping industry is now taking resolute action by investing en masse in Alfa Laval's exhaust gas cleaning technology. This is a highly effective technology that uses seawater-based scrubbers, sulfur scrubbers, to clean sulfur oxides from the ship's emissions. PureSOx is the name for this highly effective solution. Due to the strong increase in demand for our PureSOx solution, we have vacancies for dozens of new technical professionals. We offer you challenging work with a bright future. To be precise, we offer you a technical career in an organization that can look forward to a successful future. Would you like to help clean up the shipping industry? Come on board and join Alfa Laval Nijmegen.